Here at Ixplor, we're passionate about products that enhance your adventures. And this incredible roof box is no exception. Whether it's an adventure to the beach or a spontaneous family camping trip, this roof box will make a reliable and secure addition to your vehicle. The roof box has been flawlessly designed to ensure an effortless experience for the user. But just to ensure safety and avoid any damage to your vehicle, we're going to run through some great user tips. Ideally, with a little help, lift the roof box onto the top of the vehicle. Straighten the box to line up with the roof bars, like so. Next, you want to peel back the 4 tabs and align them over the bars. Fix the box to the bars using the brackets, nuts and bolts provided. Remember, you want the box completely straight, central and level over the vehicle's roof. Now you can use the straps to secure the load, bearing in mind you should never exceed 50 kilograms. Simply use the key to lock the box and keep that somewhere safe in your vehicle, like the glove box, for example. Don't forget, always be aware of heavy winds when opening your roof box. If you're pulling over on the side of the road, always park where you can safely open the roof box away from passing traffic. A great little reminder is to never take your roof box through a car wash. And lastly, watch out for those maximum height entrances. I hope this guide helps you along on your adventures, safely and stress-free. Enjoy.